Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we get to find out the winner of the GW-B5600, the solar, atomic and Bluetooth hybrid G-Shock that I reviewed recently. Now the giveaway is going to be done the same way as all the others before it. So what I did is I cut out all your names from those that commented on my previous video until Thursday and placed them all in this container. And now we're going to just shake it up and the name I pull out is going to be the winner. But before we move on, I just wanted to pull out a couple of names just so you see that it's not a single name inside. This is an idea that I got from Rich from What's on the Wrist, just so we know everything is transparent. So we have one name which is Kisha Maharma, and then over here we have Simeon Alexeyev. So as you can see, let's pull out one more, Lovro Sharabanya. So as you can see, there are all of your names inside. It's not a single name cut out a million times. I would have been crazy to do that. So now we're going to shake it up, pull out a single name. If your name gets pulled out, you have to contact me via the email in the description with your real name and address so I can ship the watch to you as soon as possible. And like I said, I will be shipping it at my own cost anywhere in the world. So the only possible expense that you might have are taxes and import duties if you get charged those. So without further ado, let's find out who the lucky winner is. So let's just shake this up like so. Now I'll place my hand inside and close my eyes just so you don't think that I'm cheating anyway. Okay, I just got one and we're gonna present it to the camera. And then I'm going to try to read it. Oh, sorry, upside down. Like so. So the lucky winner is Cardo Joel or Cardo Joal, whatever I don't know how you read it. Anyways, that's it. You won the watch. Congratulations. And like I said, contact me via the email so I can send you the watch as soon as possible. Thank you all for participating and better luck next time, because there will be a next time, as usual. Thank you all for watching, and until the next video, bye.